Hi everybody, George Chamberlin here watching your dollars. It's easy to remember what day it is. It is Tuesday, September 11th, 2012. Obviously, we today commemorate the 11-year anniversary of the hellacious attacks on the United States that took place at the World Trade Center, the Pentagon, and of course the ill-fated Flight 93 that crashed in Pennsylvania after the passengers decided that they weren't going to go silently into the good night. They were going to fight the terrorist, and they were able to successfully commandeer the plane, crash it. There's a lot of conjecture that that plane was going to come back and crash into the Capitol building in Washington, D.C. I thought it would be appropriate to take a look back at the events on Wall Street. Now, you may remember the attack on the Trade Center took place about an hour before the original start of trading at the New York Stock Exchange. And so, obviously, when that happened, the markets did not open up that day. As a matter of fact, we were closed for the balance of that week. Many people were amazed that they were able to get the financial markets ready to open on Monday, the 17th of September, for a couple of reasons. Number one, simply getting to the New York Stock Exchange was almost impossible. The debris from the attack, the New York Stock Exchange is literally less than a mile. I mean, it's not even a half a mile from the World Trade Center location. So the debris was devastating. The infrastructure, the technology, the electricity to the exchange was damaged severely. But they were able to put all of this together, working nonstop through that following week. And so on the 17th of September, it was a Monday, they rang the opening bell to start trading again. It was a very emotional time. All the traders on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange were waving American flags. The mayor of New York, Rudy Giuliani, was on hand to ring the opening bell. And as soon as the bell began, we went into a deep and hard sell-off. Stock prices tumbled that very first day, dropping 648 points. By the end of the week, the Dow had dropped from on April 10th, that had closed at 9,605. We dropped 14% in that first week back to 8,960. Actually, it was more than that. I don't have the exact close, but we did drop 14%. So it was a tough go. Fear was driving everything. Fear was driving everything. The market sold off sharply. Now remember, we got down to around 8,000, and here we are today trading around 13,000. So we've recovered dramatically, but it has not been easy. It has not been without an awful lot of emotional and physical pain along the way for an awful lot of people. Watching your dollars, I'm George Chamberlin. Have a good one.